Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Garden Stories. Today's video is all about how to grow shakarkandi or sweet potato at your home in two different ways. First way is to use it as ornamental plant. For this you need one or two tuber or shakarkandi. They come in wide range of colors, red, purple, pink. I have this local variety. For this you need toothpick and one container with half filled water, and you just have to follow these easy steps with me. Put this in water for about 90 days until roots are grown. I have already done this 2 months ago, so after 2 months it looked like this. Roots are grown very well, as you can see, and some slips are also grown very well. Actually, this is a vine of sweet potato which grows very well after 90 days. For growing this one as ornamental plant, pull this vine gently with hand and bury this in a hanging planter or pot for ornamental purpose. The leaves look really nice with pinkish green. I really like it. So the roots have also developed to this vine. So I'm gonna bury this in soil. For soil I use regular soil with manure, and I'm going to hang this in my balcony garden. So let's do this. Moving on to second way is to grow it for obtaining sweet potatoes at home. It grows really well in wide ranges of soil from sandy loam to clayey loam. Plant the vine directly to the soil. It requires full sunlight. For obtaining higher yield, water the plant deeply. Sweet potato matures in 90 to 170 days. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.